and Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox error code 267. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error code 267 in your Roblox, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your command prompt window. You need to type couple of the command what I will provide in my video description link. Just copy paste the command from there. Open command prompt window. Just click on the start menu. Then type here cmd. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. The first command you need to type is ipconfig space /flushdns. ipconfig space /flushdns and hit enter. After that you need to type second command netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. After that you need to type exit. After that you need to open your control panel. Just click on the start menu, then type your control panel. Click on control panel. In this you have to make sure you have selected as category. If it is selected as large icon, just change it to view by category. After that you can see here, click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. In left section you can see change adapter setting. Just click on that. Here you need to select your network. You can see here Ethernet. Just right click on that. Click on properties. Click on internet protocol version TCP/IP4. Double click on that. You can see last option, use the following DNS server address. Just click on that. Here you need to type 1.1.1.1. Come to the second box, alternate DNS server. Here you need to type 1.0.0.1. After that click OK and click OK and click OK. After that just close this window, and once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way we can fix Roblox error code 267. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.